Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of robot vacuums. We've got a showdown between two robotic cleaning titans, the Lefant M210 and the Tikom robot vacuum. Buckle up, because things are about to get dusty. First up, let's talk about the price. The Lefant M210 is a steal at just $199. Perfect if you want to clean up on a budget. On the other hand, the Tikom robot vacuum comes in at a whopping $399. For that price, it better vacuum, mop, and maybe even do your taxes. Reviewers appreciate the Lefant M210 for its affordability and solid performance, while the Tikom's higher price is justified by its advanced features and powerful cleaning capabilities. Design-wise, the Lefant M210 is like the little ninja of vacuums. It's got an 11-inch diameter and stands just 2.99 inches tall. Basically, it can sneak under your furniture like a cat burglar, minus the cat hair, of course. Reviewers love its compact design, which makes it easy to clean under low furniture. The Tikom robot vacuum, however, is the heavyweight champ with its smart mapping technology. It's like the GPS of vacuums. It can create and store up to 5 maps. Multi-floor families rejoice. But let's be honest, who has 5 floors? Man, maybe? Users rave about its advanced mapping capabilities and efficient navigation. Now onto suction power. The Lefant M210 boasts a unique brushless suction port. This means it can suck up pet hair and dirt without getting tangled. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a no-drama llama. Reviewers note its effectiveness on pet hair and small debris, especially on hard floors. Meanwhile, the Tikom robot vacuum flexes with a massive 3,000 pascals suction power. This thing could probably suck the wrinkles out of your shirt, and it automatically ramps up the suction on carpets. It's like having a vacuum with a sixth sense. Reviewers are impressed by its powerful suction and ability to handle various surfaces. The Lefant M210 offers 6 cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual clean. It's got more modes than a teenager with a new smartphone. Just don't use zigzag on carpets, or you might end up with a very confused rug. Reviewers appreciate the variety of cleaning modes, although some mention it can struggle on carpets. The Tikom robot vacuum doesn't just stop at vacuuming. It's a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping machine. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. With multiple cleaning modes and a 3-level water output, it can mop up messes like a pro. Reviewers love its versatility and effectiveness in both vacuuming and mopping. Battery life is crucial. The Lefant M210 gives you a respectable 120 minutes of runtime. That's enough to clean your home and still have time for a coffee break. Reviewers note its good battery life, though some mention it struggles to find its charging dock. But the Tikom robot vacuum takes it up a notch with 150 minutes of runtime. And if it starts running low, it'll automatically return to its charging station, recharge, and resume cleaning where it left off. It's like the Energizer Bunny, but smarter. Reviewers praise its long battery life and efficient recharging capability. The Lefant M210 offers smart app and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and check the cleaning area, all from your phone. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant, minus the awkward small talk. Reviewers find the app user-friendly and appreciate the connectivity options. The Tikom robot vacuum, however, is the king of customization. With the Tuya Smart app, you can set no-go zones, virtual walls, and no-mop zones. It's like playing a game of Sims, but instead of building houses, you're avoiding cleaning disasters. Reviewers love the advanced customization features and ease of use. Overall, the Lefant M210 is praised for its affordability, compact design, and efficiency, especially on hard floors and pet hair. However, it struggles with carpet suction and finding its charging dock. The Tikom robot vacuum receives high marks for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and multifunctional cleaning capabilities. It's seen as a premium option that justifies its higher price with superior performance and features. So which vacuum is the right pick for you? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, pet hair-busting ninja, the Lefant M210 is your go-to. But if you're willing to splurge for a multi-talented, map-making suction powerhouse, the Tikom robot vacuum is worth every penny. Smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which vacuum you're rooting for and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.